A white winter. Winter is the coldest season in a year. 最冷的用定冠词的加形容词最高级。The days are getting short. Snow turns the earth into a white world. Turn something into 把什么什么东西变成什么样子。Snowflakes fall down on the branches of trees, on the roofs of the houses, on the fields, and on people's heads. Everything looks clean in the world of snow. Looks clean 看起来干净了，系动词加形容词。We wear warm clothes to make snowmen and play with snowballs. Play with 和什么什么东西一起玩。Winter is a season for waiting. 冬天是一个等待的季节。Great British poet Shelley said, If winter comes, can spring be far behind? 伟大的英国诗人雪莱说，冬天来了，春天还会远吗？ Let's rest in winter and wish for a brand new year. 让我们在冬季里休养生息，期待新的一年吧。